Well, hello, watermelon. Oh my gosh. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the composting worm lady. Before anything else, press that subscribe button. You won't regret it. So, this is the Worm Factory 360, and I had put the watermelon here, and I haven't looked at it for a little bit. So I uncovered it, and I saw this. I'm like, oh my gosh, yuck. But you know what? The composting worms are working it from underneath. They are European Nightcrawlers, and there is absolutely no odor, which doesn't surprise me, even though it's, yeah. So I'm gonna roll this over and let's see what we see. Oh my gosh, look at them all. These are European Nightcrawlers, and obviously there's like a million babies. They are loving this watermelon. Look at that. See their little yellow tails? I love European Nightcrawlers. And look, there's a cocoon right there. So they are definitely reproducing in here. And they're just enjoying this watermelon. Wow. The bedding around it is moist. Even though it's dry up here, they've obviously gone from all corners that way towards it. So, and this thing is, yeah, it's soft. But there is no bad odor. Which you would think with something rotting it would be, but it's just different. They're composting it for me. So I'm gonna mix this up because I just want the moisture to be distributed. And here we still have the corn husk, and we have Mr. Corn here, and it's obviously breaking up too. Even I am gonna wet this though. It's a little dry for my taste. So what do you think? Isn't that amazing? I mean, that watermelon, you know, would have ended up in the landfill. We don't want that. So I am gonna wet this with mosquito dunk water, which is water that I soak a quarter of a mosquito dunk in it. I used to grind up the mosquito dunk into powder to sprinkle in here, but that was getting to be very expensive. So I started soaking it in water, which you can, and it's taken care of the problem of any little flying insects, and it sure lasts a lot longer. So we're gonna put this in here. So if you guys want European Nightcrawlers in September, towards the beginning, I'm putting them up for sale again. I like to ship worms in the fall, winter, and early spring. I stopped shipping in the summer because the heat just beats them up, and they don't do so well in the heat. So Euros and red wigglers definitely do better in the cooler season. Now African Nightcrawlers do not. That's only a summertime thing. So let me get their mosquito dunk water. So I saved these leftover yogurt containers, and I just like to use them for things like this. So I'm just spreading it around, just fluffing it up, make sure the moisture is in there. Yeah, definitely wetter now. We're gonna keep an eye on this. Obviously they're gonna keep going at it, and my guess is they're gonna go inside it, and they're gonna eat everything inside. They're gonna eat this watermelon. My suspicion is from the inside out, and then we'll be left with the skin on the surface. So and that's okay. If that's what they want to do, that's what they'll do. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Well, look at this. European Nightcrawlers are taking care of an old watermelon. They've all gone underneath it, and they're eating it from the inside out. Isn't that cool?